Hello everyone, I am Sajid Iqbal from Pakistan. I have recently completed my PhD in Health Sciences from Aga Khan University, Karachi, Pakistan. My work was, PhD research work was on smoking cessation. Actually, I had a multiphasic mixed method research in which I finally developed an interventional module, and my module was successful in making 40% of the smokers to quit smoking in Pakistan. Now my interest in smoking cessation has grown even further, and I am looking for different opportunities. Recently, I came across the Tobacco Harm Reduction Scholarship Program by Knowledge, Action and Change, and I developed a proposal and submitted to them. Luckily, and I am thankful to them by accepting my proposal and considering it for further work. So now, through the scholarship of Tobacco Harm Reduction Program, I'm going to explore the tobacco harm reduction strategies which are already in practice. With this, I will also investigate the knowledge and skill level of healthcare professionals in helping with smokers to switch them to the safer use of nicotine or to the tobacco harm reduction strategies. As we all know that combustible tobacco is much harmful than the non-combustible tobacco use, and there are different ranges of the harms which is caused by tobacco. So those who are using cigarettes or combustible tobacco, their body and their health is much more vulnerable to diseases, especially cardiovascular and pulmonary diseases. Therefore, I want to pursue this issue further in my country. And after having these two steps in my research, like gauging the tobacco harm reduction strategies already in practice in South Asian region, and the knowledge and skill level of healthcare professionals, I will develop an interventional module, an educational module. That educational module will be uploaded on a website, and the URL will be given to the healthcare professionals in my country. Through this module, they will gain the knowledge and skills which are required for helping smokers to switch to tobacco harm reduction strategy or to a safer use of nicotine. And in this way, I will be able to increase the capacity of the healthcare professionals in dealing with smokers and helping them in switching to the safer use of nicotine. And this will help us to reduce the smoking associated diseases in Pakistan. And also, I would like to extend my work in future by influencing the policy makers and the rules and regulations which are in place in the country. We will make sure the effective implementation, effective development and then implementation of such rules in Pakistan. So I am very much hopeful, and I am thankful for to such organization like the Tobacco Harm Reduction Strategy scholarship programs and the Knowledge, Action and Change for giving us these opportunities. And I am anticipating a very effective result of our work, and soon we will be in a position to make a difference in the current situation of tobacco use in Pakistan. Thank you so much. Take care.